Welcome back to Shop Sickle Garage, where today we use this specialty tool from Lyle that we didn't really need to change some shocks on this. If you've ever done these shocks, you know what I'm talking about. Or a lot of shocks are similar these days, I guess, but you got the little nut on there, and then the other part you got to hold on to. Sometimes you use vice grip, sometimes you use whatever, but saw this tool when I was ordering some parts, thought we would give it a shot. And since we're in the middle of dropping the rear end out to swap the gas tank and all that business, might as well do the shocks while we're at it. So let's get to it. Well, we already got the bottom ones out, of course, because of doing the gas tank. So we're going to climb up the ladder and see what's going on inside. Sure, we could drop the car down and get it where we could see it easier, but yeah, you know what? Let's just use the ladder. All right, well, we climbed up here. Whoa, that's wobbly. Climbed up here and peeled the carpet back. Then we got this foam cover. Take that off. And there we are. So this tool looks like two different sizes. Let's check this one. That's the one we need for that nut. And this is also two different sizes. Sorry, my hand's in the way. Put that in. That does not catch on that end. That catches on that end. So let's get some wrenches up here. And obviously I'm going to put this on the wrong direction for this ratcheting wrench. It's just more awkward than I would like for it to be. Let's see. I'm going to try and go the wrong way if we can do that. Is the whole thing turning? I don't know. Let's see, that's definitely the wrong direction, isn't it? Why didn't you say something? I don't think you did. Let's just come up. Oh, sorry, I'm smushing the microphone thing. We'll get you right up there. Oh, this one was fairly loose. So now we're going to pull this off, pull the tool off, pull the nut off by hand unless it falls off. I'm going to pull this off and drop the shock. And hopefully don't hit the dog that's down there somewhere. Duke, watch out. I'm going to drop the shock in a second. There's a little rubber deal that don't look like too bad shape. All right, well, it did not fall. So let me go down and get it. See if I can reach it from here. Oh, definitely. Oh, it's hung up down there. That's why. Of course it's hung up down there. That's why. That makes sense. All right, so we'll leave that tool there. Get this stuff off here. Go grab the new one. See if we can shove it up in there and get it to stay. Hang on, we'll be right back. Don't go anywhere is what I'm saying. Okay, there's a shock to go in the metal pile. Okay. Let's see if we can find one. Here's one. Well. That's all that's in the box. Like that's the down below stuff. This is the up above bag. I know you can't see what I'm doing right now because I left the camera on up there and I'm down here. So we're getting the bag with the bushings and nuts and whatnots out of it. And getting that set up. Looks like we got it. Put that there, put that there. Take this with us up there. Where's the hole? There it is. Okay, there's that. Well, let's see. I don't know what that's sitting on, but we'll see if that'll stay there. While we climb back up the ladder. I'm coming, settle down. Okay, let's set this stuff off on there nice and easy and not push it down. Perfect. Good. Set that on easy. Easy. Start getting a couple threads on, that way we can't lose it. And we can spin it, that's for sure. Okay, let's see. That's the same size nut. Tis it is. Now the problem is, there's nothing to hold it at the bottom, and it wants to spin. So, go down a step. Where's that? Right there. Let's see if we can do this kind of a deal. Well, if you guys could see me, I am holding the shock at the bottom of my hand, reaching over the top of the hatch. One hand. Oh, there's some bushings from the sway bar link. Okay. Now let's try that. See if we can. See if this is the. Which one was that? I don't know. That one don't fit. That one does. Now let's do this the wrong way again. See, now we need to go. Yep, that's wrong. Go this way. Go this way. Hold this on that tool. Get a nice squish. Now you don't have to run these things down until you can't go no more, you know. You don't have to be Superman on them. I'm gonna call that good. So, this tool was kind of handy. I kind of like it. I like it. Okay, we'll put this foam piece back on there. Don't worry, it didn't smell like mouth stuff from like the carpet and things did. All right, let me get you back down and we'll see what's going on down there. Well, I went to put the bottom bolt in and this is what they gave us. This part does not fit through the bracket on the car, and it doesn't fit through the bushing on the shock. Only the threaded part does, and what is, I don't understand. So, yeah. Let me play with that for a second and see what I can figure out. Well, with a little persuasion, I was able to get that collar through the bushing here. And we put the spacer in there. I don't know if we should put that in there or not. It might have kind of helps it. Lines it up with where it's supposed to be. So I guess we'll, I don't know, I mean this way, keeps it straight. I guess we'll tighten her down and call it good. Well, you guys didn't yell loud enough because While I'm messing with the shocks, I kind of forgot something that goes there. Oops. All right, so let me just undo everything I just did, including went ahead and put the sway bar links back on because I don't know if you can see them. I can't see where the camera's at, but it looks pretty good, and well, save money. So, yep. To at least take the shocks loose again, drop the rear end down a little bit, get my space, and put springs back in. Okay, fun times. All right, well, we're back to having springs, new shocks in the rear. Sway bar links are back in. I don't know where they're at. And I think that's going to do it for this one. I want to get back on some of the other stuff, put some of the suspension stuff back together, and be done back there for a minute. There's a new gas tank in there. We're working on that video. I think next step for that is going to be running some gas through it, the lines, with some barium, try to clean out the lines. Man, I am shaking like crazy. Try to clean out the lines and stuff and get it as neat and new as possible. That's why those lines are not hooked up yet, because we're going to run it through and return it back to our gas can, then use the gas in the lawnmower. So anyway, that'll be coming soon, but right now that's going to end it for these rear shocks. We'll probably have Aslan do the front ones later. I don't know. I don't know where I put my scissors. What did I do with them? Let me go look real quick. Found them. Oh, I'm stuck. Found them. Anyway, like I said, that'll do it for this one. Boy, that is loud. Sorry if you can hear that rattle. And it's getting pretty windy. I'm not a meteorologist, but it's supposed to be low pressure or something, or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Shopsicle Garage. Don't forget to eat your shopsicles. Ooh, lime.